How to edit drafts on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to edit drafts on TikTok app. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are there, go to your drafts on your profile, choose the draft you want. Now all you need to do is click on it. And for example, this one, I'm gonna edit this one. Like you see, you have a lot of options: filters, adjust clips, voice effect, voice cover, and you have here sounds, text, stickers, or effects. You choose if you want to put effects or filters or adjust this clip, just click on it. If you want to write a text, and you can write a text and change the text to a speech voice, just click this one and click on it, click on change to speech voice,
text,
and this is it, easy and quick.
text,
Once you are done, you can add a sound and edit the volume, anything you want. Once you are done, click on next. And here you can describe your video, tag people, and turn who can watch this video to everyone if you want everyone to watch this video, and allow comments, duet, and stage. And this is it. Click on post. Easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like.